I'm Jesse.MacIver from Century 21 Creekside Realty, and this is Alderglen, Unit 202-1750 McKenzie Road, here in Abbotsford, British Columbia.
Nestled amongst the lush greenery, this renovated 2-bedroom, 1-bath ground floor townhouse offers a perfect blend of modern comfort and natural beauty. Step inside to discover a spacious living room bathed in natural light,
With a private patio overlooking a beautiful green space.
with breathtaking views of the Shamrock Creek. This interior boasts modern finishes with
Gigantic windows.
and a separate storage space for added convenience. With 2 cozy bedrooms, there's ample space for rest and relaxation.
This kitchen was updated with beautiful stainless steel appliances, as well as a breakfast bar for you to enjoy your morning meal.
It's not just a home. Alderglen is a community. Enjoy a quiet, family-friendly atmosphere of the complex, where furry friends are welcome and neighbors become friends. Centrally located, you'll have easy access to parks, shopping, and all the amenities you need for your daily life. Experience the best. This home has far too many things to list, but one thing for sure, this urban oasis awaits you. Discover the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and serenity. Welcome home.
I'm Jesse.MacIver from Century 21 Creekside Realty, and I'm here to help.
For more information, floor plans, virtual tours, and much more information about this listing, visit www.202alderglen.info.